where the business all started. The true reality of the concept. If you want food, come around to Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines. It's food galore. Can't go wrong. Came down here and I got caught in the rain.
12 ringgit lah. 12 ringgit.
12. Oh, hello. It's a wonderful family here. Fantastic food, fantastic breakfast, and it's pouring down. Queuing up, and you should see in the night, it's long queues, probably more than an hour. What for? What is it? What is it there? Closed for Friday prayers right now. Wow. What are they waiting for? What are they waiting for? What's so good about this Damascus place? Damascus kebab.